This is a basic guide on how to use Scheduleworx to add appointments, confirm appointments with your customers, check vehicles in, and then let the customer know that the vehicle is ready to pick up. I'll include some screen grabs from my phone so you can see what the customer sees. This is the main work area for Scheduleworx, which is also the week view. And up top, we have the following tabs. This week's appointments, which is where we are now. Checked in appointments, which are vehicles that have been checked into your store and are being worked on currently. Confirmed appointments, this is when the customer receives a text confirmation from you and presses 1 and replies. They end up on this confirmed appointments list. Pending appointments are customers that have not replied to confirm their appointment. So you can go through this list and manually confirm the appointments or give them a call up and make sure that they're going to be there at a certain date and time. Past appointments is a log of all your previous work. It's a great place to go when quoting future jobs as well, so you can see how long certain jobs took you on certain vehicles. And logs is just kind of a list of everything that's happened, the events you've created, the events that have been completed, and the text messages that you've sent out. This legend up top shows you all your techs and sales staff, so you can identify who's who at a glance. You can also see the left bar here, which includes a quick view calendar up top. We also look at how many hours you have available on any given day or week compared to how many employee hours are available. That's a measure of efficiency. And down here, you can get a quick overview of customers that need to be rescheduled, customers that need to confirm their appointments, and customers that have already confirmed as well. The main calendar window is set to weekly by default. You can also look at it by day, by month. We also have a couple of unique views as well. You can look at the technician view, which gives you the name of the tech, and they can have a look at what they have on that given day at what time. And we also have our list view, which is just kind of a list of everything that's coming into the store arranged by date. All right, let's go back to this week's appointments and add a new appointment to the calendar. Let's say a customer calls you up. He's got a Ford F-150 and he's damaged his LED light bar and he wants it replaced. And he can come in at 9 a.m. on Friday. So we're just going to click on Friday on the calendar. Great, and that opens this window here where we actually create and enter the details for the appointment. So for the title, let's call it light bar replacement. And you can come in at 9 a.m. So let's pick that on the list. a.m. and to 10. And we're going to hit apply. The technician, we can pick that from the list as well. Let's just go with Joe Blow. We can pick which install bay it's taking place in. So let's pick the second install bay and we'll add the customer name. Let's say his name is Jason Smith. I'm going to enter my phone number so I get a copy of the text message and I can show you what that looks like. And I'll add an email as well, jason@madeup.com. Vehicle type, well, it's a truck. The make is Ford. The vehicle name is an F-150. The year, let's say it's a 2016. And then you can add some additional info like, light bar damaged by rock, wants a tougher one. All right, all we have to do now is click create to create the event and add it to the calendar. All right, now we can see our appointment is on the main screen and you can see it's from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and it's a light bar replacement. So what happens if that customer calls back and they can't make it at 9 o'clock? They're asking if they can move their appointment back to 10 o'clock. You can either open it up and change the time on the window, or you can actually just drag this to 10 o'clock. And then you find out it's going to take even a little bit longer than 1 hour because you have to maybe, replace the grill or whatever. So you can just drag the bottom of it out to an extra hour. And it's that simple to move appointments and to lengthen them. The next thing we want to do is to confirm the appointment with the customer. So what we want to do is click on the appointment and click Edit Appointment. And that opens up this window again. So there's a couple different options here. This is to send the SMS text, which is a confirmation text that they will get. When they get the confirmation text, they can click 1, and basically that confirms the appointment. If they click 2, that adds them to a list of appointments that need to be rescheduled. So there's also a check-in when the vehicle arrives, and when the vehicle is done, you can hit completed, and that will send out another SMS text message to let them know that their vehicle's ready to be picked up. If they don't show up, there's also a little no-show button here, so you can keep track of that information as well. Let's just send the SMS. All right, you get a confirmation that an SMS has been sent to the customer, and then just click Update Event to leave this. This is a screenshot of the text message that I received. Again, you can customize this message in the Scheduleworx settings. I then selected one to hit reply and got another text to say that the appointment is confirmed. When I refresh this week's appointments and click on the confirmed appointment list, you can see that our light bar replacement has now been confirmed. You can also click on this entry to edit it if you need to. Let's say it's Friday at 10 a.m. and the truck has arrived. To check it in and start the timer, and installers can do this themselves using a tablet or a laptop in the install bays, just reopen the appointment and click Check In. You get an alert to tell you that the appointment has been checked in and the job is now active. If you go under the checked in appointment list, you'll be able to see our job for the light bar replacement is here on the bottom. This is where we start and stop the timer. Your installers can stop the timer when they go on lunch and breaks and things like that. They can reset the timer if they're starting over. They can send out a pickup text message to the customer to let them know when the vehicle is done and ready to pick up. And when the vehicle has been picked up, you just click on this button here and you know that the vehicle is no longer on the lot and the customer has picked up their vehicle and brought it home. Let's pretend that the job is completed and send out our pickup text message. You get an alert up top saying that the pickup text message has been sent, and I'll show you what you get on your phone. This is the text message your customer will receive. It'll say friendly reminder from Mike Sounds or the name of your store. Your vehicle is ready for pickup. The last thing I want to show you is what happens when you click vehicle pickup. You'll get this prompt asking you whether you want to send a Scheduleworx text to the client. If you click yes, the client will get another text inviting them to review your store. If your customer clicks the link, they will be taken to a page that we host that asks them if they would recommend your store to others. If they say no, they're taken to another page that we host where they can explain the reasons why. If they say yes, then they're taken to another page where they can choose to leave a review for your store on Google, Facebook, or Yelp. And that's all there is to it. We hope you cut down on no-shows, get lots of great data that you can use, like project finish times and efficiency ratings, and improve the way that you connect with your customers. Enjoy.